Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to submit your individual tax return online. We'll cover the fundamental steps to ensure a smooth and accurate filing experience. Electronic filing offers significant advantages, including faster processing of refunds and fewer errors compared to paper submissions. We'll guide you through the entire process, from gathering your necessary documents to successfully submitting your return, making tax season less daunting for everyone. Before you begin, it's crucial to gather all your financial documents. This includes income statements like your W-2 from employers and any 1099 forms for other income sources. Don't forget records for potential deductions and credits, such as mortgage interest statements, student loan interest forms, and receipts for charitable donations. Having everything organized beforehand will save you a lot of time and prevent errors during the filing process. Next, you'll select an online tax software. Many reputable options exist, some even offering free filing for eligible taxpayers. Carefully input all your financial information, ensuring every number matches your gathered documents. The software will guide you through various sections, helping you identify potential deductions and credits you might qualify for, which can significantly reduce your tax liability. Take your time to review each section thoroughly. The final step is critical: a thorough review. Double-check every entry for accuracy, especially your personal details and all financial figures. Many software programs offer a final review feature to catch common mistakes. Once you are confident everything is correct, electronically sign your return and hit Submit. Remember to save a digital or printed copy of your submitted return and all supporting documents for at least 3 years.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.